Oh boy, what another beautiful blue sky day out here in this yard. Wait a minute. The sky isn't blue. It's just clouds. Why is it just clouds? Oh well. Wait a minute. What is that over there? Whoa, it's a bird. But what kind of bird is it though? He looks kind of grumpy. Maybe he's friendly though. Excuse me, are you lost? I guess that's a yes. Well then, I shall take you home. Come on, Birdie, let's go.
This level is too hard. I can't go through any of these levels. This game is too hard.
Charlie? Charlie? Charlie, wake up!
Huh? What? Oh, it's you. Alright, I'm up. So, what is it?
You're not gonna believe what I just found.
Let me guess. You found another quarter.
Nope, even better.
Another TV remote?
Nope.
Well then, what did you find?
Hold on, let me get it.
5 minutes later.
Okay, Charlie, so I found a bird.
What? A bird? That bird looks grumpy.
Yeah, even I said that earlier. So, can we keep him?
Alright, you can keep him.
Awesome. Thanks, Charlie.
Wow, that is one grumpy looking bird.
All right, Mr. Birdie. So what do you want to do now? Maybe he's hungry. But what do birds eat? Bird seeds, of course. But wait, we don't have any bird seeds. Ah well, I'll just go to the store and buy some. What do you say, Birdie? Alright, I'll take that as a yes. Let's go. Alright, Birdie, we are almost at the store. What is this? And why is there a pig here? Okay, what just happened? Alright then. Well, let's continue going to the store. Alright, Birdie, so you stay here while I go get the bird seeds and put them in the kitchen. Sound like a good deal? I'll take that as a yes. Alright, Birdie, you stay here, alright? And don't go anywhere. Man, today is so boring. Huh? Is that a bird? Why do you look so grumpy and kind of familiar? Alright, Birdie, the seeds are in the kitchen, so... Ow. Hey, Barley. Oh, hey, Edgar. Do you know why there's a grumpy-looking bird in this house? Ow. Well, this here is my pet bird, and for some strange reason, I still don't know what to name him. Oh. Well, how did you keep him as a pet? Ow. Well, I found him outside, and he looked like he was lost, so I decided to keep him. Well, he kind of looks familiar, and I think I've seen this bird before. Wait, you have? Yeah, and I think I know what kind of bird he is. What kind of bird is he? I think this guy right here, he could be an angry bird. An angry bird? What's an angry bird? Angry birds are birds that are, well, angry. So basically they're just birds that are always angry? Well, sometimes. But whenever the pigs steal their eggs, then they get really angry. Yeah, so basically, they get angry whenever they steal the eggs, but they can also get mad for other reasons. Huh. Interesting. Well, why do you think this bird looks familiar to you? Well, I've seen him multiple times, and someone told me that this bird right here is one of those birds that is looking for someone that wants to keep a bird as a pet. Ow. So he was outside because he was looking for an owner? Yeah, pretty much. And I was the one that decided to keep him as a pet. Yup. Wow. That sounds really cool.
Yep, it really is.
Yeah, so what do we name him?
Well, what do you think?
What is the perfect name for him? I know what to name him.
Wait, you do?
Yep, I will call him Terrence.
Terrence. Sounds like a good name.
Yeah, what do you think, Terrence?
I think he likes it.
Well, I'm glad you like the name, Terrence. So, what do we do now?
How about we go get something to eat?
Good idea. Come on, Terrence. I have some bird seeds for you downstairs.
All right, let's go. Wait a minute. There's one more thing I have to do first.
And now it's time for the Barley Show.
Greetings, everyone in the whole world, and welcome to Season 2 of The Barley Show. In this episode, I will be explaining why angry birds and pigs are rivals, and why angry birds get angry when the pigs steal their eggs.
I never seen this show before, but maybe it'll be interesting.